NIPOF! Let's find out!
Hi friends, 5 big questions today.
And 5 silly answers from me. Question time: why do we get hiccups? Easy, a tiny frog jumps in your tummy.
Nope, watch this. Under your lungs is a muscle called the diaphragm. A hiccup is a sudden spasm of that muscle.
Wait, that actually makes sense.
Yes, the weird sound is air snapping past your vocal cords.
Question time: why does metal feel cold? Easy, metal is just naturally chilly.
Nope, watch this. Metal pulls heat from your hand really fast. Your hand loses heat, so metal feels colder.
Wait, that actually makes sense.
Yes, wood feels warmer because it steals heat much slower.
Question time: why do stars twinkle? Easy, stars are blinking hello at you.
Nope, watch this. Starlight travels through layers of moving air. The air wiggles the light, so the star seems to twinkle.
Wait, that actually makes sense.
Yes, planets usually twinkle less because they look bigger.
Question time: why do we dream? Easy, a dream fairy shows movies in your head.
Nope, watch this. While you sleep, your brain keeps working. It sorts memories and feelings into dream stories.
Wait, that actually makes sense.
Yes, most vivid dreams happen in REM sleep.
Question time: why does popcorn pop? Easy, the corn gets startled and jumps.
Nope, watch this. A popcorn kernel has a tiny water drop inside. Heat turns that water to steam, and the kernel explodes fluffy.
Wait, that actually makes sense.
Yes, if the kernel is too dry, it won't pop. Recap time, here are all 5 questions. Pause the video and try to answer them yourself.
No peeking, I'm watching you.
Ready? Quick answers, go. Number 1, a hiccup is a sudden spasm of the diaphragm. Number 2, metal pulls heat from your hand fast. Number 3, starlight wiggles through moving air layers. Number 4, while you sleep, your brain sorts memories and feelings. Number 5, a popcorn kernel has a tiny water drop inside.
I got most of them right.
See you next time, stay curious.